Today we are going to do another CompTIA Plus Core 1 practice test, and this test will be for the CompTIA Plus Core 1 exam, which is 220-1201. So as you can take my Udemy course where I have 730 questions multi-choice quiz, and I will leave all links in first pinned comment and in description of this video. A user accidentally deleted a critical system file, causing Windows to crash. What is the best way to restore the system? Lower the monitor brightness, use System Restore, disable Wi-Fi, replace the thermal paste, or install a new printer driver. And the correct answer is use System Restore. A System Restore allows users to revert the system to previous stable state. A technician needs to install a new CPU. What component must be properly aligned before installation? So, if you are installing a new CPU, what component must be properly aligned before installation? The GPU's power connectors, the RAM speed settings, the CPU socket and pin layout, the WAN speed in BIOS, or the USB boot priority. And here the correct answer is the CPU socket and pin layout, as CPU must be installed correctly in the socket to prevent damage and ensure functionality. A desktop computer emits a series of beeps and does not boot. What should the technician check first? The display settings, the motherboard's post-error codes, the antivirus software, the network bandwidth, or the monitor brightness. And the correct answer is the motherboard's post-error codes, as beep codes indicate hardware failures detected during the power on, self-test, or on post. A user reports that they cannot connect to a Wi-Fi network, but their co-workers can. What is the best first troubleshooting step? Replace the Wi-Fi router, install a new sound driver, restart the user's device, check the office lighting, or upgrade the printer firmware. And the correct answer is here, restart the user's device, as restarting the device can resolve temporary network connectivity issues. A technician is troubleshooting a laptop that does not power on. So, you are troubleshooting a laptop which does not power on. The power LED blinks when the power button is pressed, but the laptop does not boot. What is the most likely cause? Corrupt operating system, faulty battery on power adapter, disconnected keyboard, a failing printer, or a weak Wi-Fi signal. So what is the most likely cause here? And here the correct answer is a faulty battery or power adapter, as a blinking LED often indicates power-related issues such as a bad battery or adapter. A technician is replacing a power supply or PSU, power supply unit. Which feature should they check to ensure compatibility with the motherboard? Number of SATA ports, RGB lighting, fan size, 24-pin ATX connector, or Wi-Fi capability. And here the correct answer is 24-pin ATX connector, as modern motherboards require a 24-pin ATX power connector. Ensuring the PSU has this is essential for compatibility. And if you are interested in more questions like these, you can come here into the Skill Test Pro, and there are different questions for different exams from CompTIA, Microsoft, Cisco, so as you can take my Udemy course where I have 730 questions multi-choice quiz, and I will leave all links in first pinned comment and in description of this video. Which tool can be used to test the integrity of system memory? RAM, Disk Cleanup, memtest86, Task Manager, Device Manager, or Check Disk. And here the correct answer is memtest86, as memtest86 is a diagnostic tool specifically designed to test and detect memory RAM errors. Which file system is commonly used on a USB flash drive to maximize compatibility across operating systems? NTFS, ext4, FAT32, APFS, HFS Plus. And here the correct answer is FAT32, as FAT32 is widely supported by Windows, macOS, Linux and even game consoles, making it ideal for USB drives. Which type of display technology offers the best contrast ratio and true blacks? LCD, LED, OLED, Plasma or CRT? And here we are talking about screen types or display types, and you should also know everything about different display types for your CompTIA A+ Core 1 exam. And here the correct answer is OLED, as OLED display can turn off individual pixels completely, delivering perfect blacks and high contrast. Which network device reduces network collisions by segmenting collision domains? Hub, switch, repeater, bridge or modem? And here the correct answer is switch. Switches manage collision domains per port, improving network efficiency and reducing collisions. Which mobile device component is responsible for sensing orientation changes? Gyroscope, GPS module, NFC chip, Wi-Fi antenna or microphone? So, which mobile device component is responsible for sensing orientation changing? So whenever you are turning around your mobile device or mobile phone, which component is responsible for sensing, or when you have turned it, whether horizontal or vertical way? And here the correct answer is gyroscope, as gyroscope detects rotation and orientation shifts, enabling features like screen auto rotation. Which of the following expansion cards would you install to provide additional external USB ports? NIC, sound card, GPU, TV tuner or USB expansion card? And here the correct answer is USB expansion card, as a USB expansion card adds extra USB ports by connecting to the motherboard's PCIe slot. What does the ping command test? Disk speed, network latency and reachability, RAM performance, CPU usage or file system health? So, whenever you ping something, what does it check? And here the correct answer, or what does it test, is network latency and reachability, as ping checks if a remote host is reachable and measures round-trip time, useful for network diagnostics. Which of these is a cloud computing model where services are provided over the internet and billed per use? IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, FaaS or utility computing? So which is the correct answer here? And the correct answer here is utility computing, as utility computing delivers IT services on demand, charging users based on consumption like utilities. A technician needs to securely wipe a hard drive before disposal. Which method ensures that data cannot be recovered? So you need to 100% be sure whenever you are wiping a hard drive, so which is the best or which of these methods ensures that data cannot be recovered. Quick format, deleting files, running check disk, degaussing, or defragmentation. And here the correct answer is degaussing, as degaussing erases magnetic fields on a hard drive, making data irrevertible. And if you are interested in more questions like these, you can come here into the Skill Test Pro, and there are different questions for different exams from CompTIA, Microsoft, Cisco, so as you can take my Udemy course where I have 730 questions multi-choice quiz, and I will leave all links in first pinned comment and in description of this video.